everybody, welcome back. It's Good Time Gal. Today is September 22nd. It is National White Chocolate Day. So this is for my white chocolate lovers. What does White Chocolate Day have to do with Good Time Gal, you ask? Well, remember, we love to have food that evokes joy and connectivity, and white chocolate does that. It's delicious, it's nostalgic, you can do it with your family, friends, or by yourself, and it is equitable, it's affordable, and it's also versatile. So you can do these with raspberries, you can do these with dried coconut, it doesn't matter, because it's all about flavor. So let's begin. If you are following along on the blog, you're going to need 12 ounces of white chocolate. I'm using my white chocolate bits. You're gonna need a teaspoon of vanilla. You're gonna need a pinch of salt, and you're going to need either dried raspberries or dried cranberries if you like. I'm going to do dates. Remember, I'm all about food equity. We recycle, we reduce, we reuse. So some of the dates from the date nut bread I did not use completely. So I'm going to use some bits of that. I still have some trail mix left, so I'm going to use these remaining along with these. So it's going to be a hodgepodge of white chocolate bark that I will be making. And I hope you follow along, okay? So pour your chocolate in. And now you can either use a boiler or a microwave. I'm going to use my microwave in 30-second intervals. So every 30 seconds, I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to stir. This is what I'm going to stir it with. I'm going to get my pan ready. You can use parchment or foil. You just want something where it's not going to stick. But this is fast, so I don't want to wait. And they're starting to melt already. So again, I'm getting my vanilla ready. It's melting more. We get in there. Okay. A little more. I'm going to do 30 more, and then we'll be ready. And you want to check it so that you're not burning it, okay? That's your number one goal. You don't want to burn it. Right now, we quickly add the fruit, add the vanilla, stir, stir. Add now I'm gonna press while it's still warm. gonna be some loaded white chocolate bark. All right, we got it flat. Tons of colors. So now I'm gonna add this into our chiller for 2 hours. I know. And then we'll come back to it. Our white chocolate bark is chilled. There it is. Let's see. Yes, it's a lovely finish. That's what I want. So you can see the M&Ms, you can see some of the pistachios. This is wonderful. And then you just do it like that. And then it just comes apart. This is a great Halloween treat as well. Super equitable. But yes. And now for the taste test. I like it. We didn't burn the chocolate. Pistachios are light. Some M&Ms. Oh my God, that's good. You did that. Pat yourself on the back. From my kitchen to yours, happy National White Chocolate Day.